Hey everyone, today we're taking an honest look at MyBlock, an app designed to help you with tax preparation and filing from your phone or computer. Taxes can be confusing, frustrating, and time consuming for almost everyone. So the big question is whether MyBlock makes the process easier or just adds another step. And after using it, here's how it actually feels. When you first open MyBlock, the experience is approachable and straightforward. Instead of throwing pages and pages of jargon at you, the app breaks everything down into simple questions about your income, expenses, deductions, and credits. It feels a lot more like a guided conversation than a traditional tax form, which is sort of the whole point. To take something that's usually intimidating and make it feel manageable, even if you've never filed taxes before. One of the strongest parts of MyBlock is how it walks you through deductions and credits you might otherwise miss. A lot of people leave money on the table each year just because they don't know what they qualify for. MyBlock asks you questions about education, healthcare, work expenses, home ownership, and more. And based on your answers, it suggests potential deductions. Even if you're self-employed, freelancing, or have side income, the app guides you in a way that feels thoughtful rather than robotic. The interface itself is clean and organized, so you can see your progress and go back to edit answers easily if you change your mind or realize you forgot something. It feels less like filling out a form and more like having a tax assistant walk beside you. After you've answered all the questions and reviewed your return, MyBlock helps you file directly from the app, often with e-file options that get your return submitted faster than mailing paper forms. Now, no tax preparation tool is perfect. If you have a very complex tax situation, think multiple states, rental income, investment properties, or complicated business deductions, you might still want to consult a professional or use advanced software that specializes in those areas. And while MyBlock's guided approach is great for clarity, it does rely on the quality of the information you input. If you accidentally give incorrect info, it won't always catch that on its own, so double checking is still important. Overall, though, MyBlock delivers a friendly, guided, and less intimidating way to prepare and file your taxes. It's especially helpful for individuals, small business owners with simpler returns, or anyone who wants an app that speaks your language instead of tax code. It doesn't completely replace professional help for very complex situations, but for most people, it cuts down stress and time by a lot. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me which tool you want reviewed next.